Hi friends. Now today I have the honor of having with me on this channel Dr. Bhumika Goyal. Now Dr. Bhumika has a rank 33 in this year's PGI exam. She has been a DAMS regular course student in DAMS Sky Center in Ludhiana, and she has been a test and discussion student later on in Chandigarh, and then she followed up with a AIMS test and discussion course. And it has been a long journey with us, and we are very proud of her journey. And she is somebody who wants to do well in life. She has worked really hard for this, and she has now reached to a rank of 33 in the PGI Chandigarh, which is the most one of the most prestigious. And we are hoping that she will give us a great rank in JIPMER also. So Bhumika, tell us, how are you feeling today?
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I can't describe my feelings in words, sir. I'm really happy after my PGI results, sir.
When you saw your result, what was the first feeling you got?
Sir, actually, I didn't get my expected result in AIMS, so I was very disheartened. And my last PGI rank was not good, so I was not expecting this rank at all. So while checking the result, I was planning what will I tell my parents? What if I don't get a good rank? But when I saw the results, I was very happy, sir.
And tell us, about when you first came to DAMS. I think in your final year, you joined DAMS regular course in Ludhiana. So, what was your experience of when you first came to the classes, and were you happy with the quality of the lectures being delivered? And do you think they were value to you at that time?
Yes, sir. I joined regular batch in my pre-final year, sir. IENT Prof. And sir, my first class, I remember it was by Dr. Siddharth sir, SPM class, sir. And sir, at that time I was zero at my epidemiology questions. I couldn't understand those questions and numerical. And sir covered epidemiology in the first class itself. So I got to know, yes, I am following the right path because my doubts started getting clear in the first class only. So I could see the difference in my preparation. And so this was the first time when I got introduced to this PG exam. I was not aware like there's so much competition. So many people are preparing for this exam. So DAM's experience was really nice. So.
And how was your experience in the DAM Sky Center? Like the first course you did was in the DAM Sky Center, where you
Yes,
have satellite-based classes. And when you first time sit in that class, you see the geography of the entire India is revealed to you when you realize a student from places where you may not have even heard of the name are also answering and all that thing. So, what was that experience all about? Did that tell you about the competition that is around?
Yes, actually, when I got to know about the satellite classes, I was a bit confused whether they'll be helpful or not because this was the first time I was going for any satellite class. But when attended my first class, there was no difference between between face-to-face classes and the satellite classes because we had keyboard in our hand. Like if we had any doubt, we could ask there only, and sir was solving like each and every faculty was so good. Like they solved your doubts, and you got to know doubts like so many other doubts also, which we are not thinking also. Like so many people are posting their queries, and there some people used to post questions also, and faculty was very kind to help us in solving those MCQs. So it was very nice. So.
And were you happy with the teachers following up the classes with the doubt solving things on the Facebook Club or on the app? How was your experience with that?
Yes, sir. Sir, I didn't used to put much queries on the dance club. Uh, but if I had some queries, like I'm reading something or I couldn't understand, and I used to search on the dance club, every doubt was there. Like I never got this chance to post my query on the group because it was already told by the teacher, already explained in like in MCQ form or some other updated form. So, sir, it was dance club was a thing. Like if you are feeling low, you can go there. So because so many people are preparing, so like you are not the one who is going through the hard time. Like if you are feeling low, there will be 100 people also who will be feeling low on the same day. And there are motivational quotes, then sir motivational videos. Like that was my only thing. If I used to feel low, then I used to go to Dance Daily YouTube channel and used to watch the toppers interviews, and sir your motivational videos also. So they were very helpful. So
And today your interview will also go on the same channel. How does that feel like? It's like, the journey. So recently on the channel, YouTube channel, I have given a motivational line to future aspirants that अगला interview मुझे लाना है इस channel पे. So I think,
yes, sir.
Bhumika is now doing the same, that she saw others interview on that channel, and now she's on this channel giving an interview. So,
Thank
and
you so much, sir.
Bhumika, when you followed up your classroom programs with the test and discussion program in the Chandigarh Center, how was your experience with the T&D, the quality of questions, quality of discussion?
Sir, the main benefit of TND was I had a schedule to follow. Okay, I had to complete this subject in this much time. And then, sir, those 75 or 100 questions from that subject, those were the most high yielding topics. So, before any main exam, like PGI or AIMS, like 2-3 days before, when we are very confused what to read, what not to read, then I know I have 75 high yielding topics from 19 subjects. So, I can flip pages of those subjects. So it was really helpful in that way that I got to know what to read, because you can't read everything before exam. So I got to know, okay, these are the things which I need to focus before my exam. It was very helpful, sir. And so there was a big difference between my NEET TND and AIMS TND this time. So the level of questions. So you added new pattern questions also, reasoning and sir, then multiple choice answers. So this AIMS TND was very helpful. Like question paper was nice. I could see the difference between the NEET TND and the AIMS TND. It was really helpful. So
Actually, that is a very specifically designed course for candidates who are only wanting to do well in the central exams. So we
yes,
have,
sir, yes, sir.
because in central exams we have to put assertion, reasoning, multiple choice, and we have. So I'm so happy that you enjoyed it. And last year in the, which came from the SWTs and grant test. So
Yes.
did you also utilize those subject-wise tests and grant tests that you have on the online test series?
Sir, last year I couldn't do much SWT, but I remember 6 grand tests. And main thing was I could see my improvement. Like I started from the score of 390, I guess. And at the now, like before AIMS, my score was 850 or 860. So I could see the difference. And sir, last year I couldn't do SWT, but this year from January, I did 19 SWTs. And sir, like if you get rank in top 10 or top 20 in SWT, you know you are going in a good way, like good manner. So I attempted all the SWTs, sir, and they were very helpful. I remember there was like even in this AIMS exam, there were some topics which were not covered in our regular classes, but which were covered in SWTs. So they were helpful.
Did you get featured in the leaderboard that we have, added recently in the eMedicos app, that if you do well in a test, you get to be in the leaderboard? And
Yes, sir,
so,
many times.
so did that give you motivation that you are on the right track?
Yes, yes, sir.
And when you look back now, did you also appear for any CBTs that we conducted in computer centers in the last years, or this year's AIMS mock or the AIMS CBT? What
Yes,
was
sir.
your
I give
experience?
Sir, AIMS CBT and AIMS mock exam both were very helpful, sir. And sir, like if you are attempting a exam like in a manner which you are going to face after 1 week or 2 weeks, uh, you face all the challenges like time management, sir. And if you're stuck at one question, you know how much time to spend, when to move forward, because every question is carrying the same marks, sir. So it is a good idea to give AIMS mock and AIMS CBT or any CBT, like if you're preparing for any exam. So, and sir, you'll get rank. Like I got rank 48 in my CBT, so and so that gave me a push. Yes, I am in top 50. I can do it. And sir, even in AIMS mock, my rank was 62. Though I was expecting a much better rank this time because my last AIMS rank was 79. So I was expecting rank in top 20 or top 30 that I couldn't make it. But like I was very motivated from my AIMS CBT and AIMS mock results. So.
And I think it's a very good message that we have from Bhumika, that that you have to give tests, because if you perform well in a test, it gives you confidence and you get to know that you are on the right track. And I think he has. I think that has made the difference. What I feel is that from your last year and this year, you have the number of tests that you are giving, you have increased.
Yes,
Do you think that has helped you to learn the exam skill?
yes, sir. So my goal was to complete one SWT each week, and simultaneously I try to watch all the videos of the SWT solution. So like I made one notebook where I wrote all the solution, and I tried to revise that notebook before my AIMS exam. I couldn't get, like, we didn't get time before before PGI, because there were only 2 days between AIMS and PGI, and I analyzed my AIMS exam. So I was very sad, like the way I performed in my AIMS exam. So I couldn't get much time to revise before PGI, but I did my last year questionnaire paper from eMedicos. Like that is the only thing I did extra for PGI. So I followed AIMS schedule only.
I think looking at the previous papers of PGI is very critical in the last 2 3 days. I think that's a very important thing to do. And
Yes, sir. Because in PGI, like in AIMS, if you are ruling out 2 options, if you are with 2 options, you have ruled out 2, then you go ahead and mark the option, because there is only one answer from that question. But in PGI, if you are confused between two options, then you better leave that option, because negative marking is so high. And so you get to know these things when you attempt paper. Like I guess my main difference between last PGI result and this PGI result is the way I attempted my question paper. So the last time I went with this mind, like I had to attempt 500, 600 option. But this time, sir, my aim was to mark those options which I know. Like if I had confusion between any 2 option, 3 option, I left those options, because there are 5 options. Like if you don't know one, maybe they like other option can be correct. You can move to that option. Or like you get all these things if you attempt these exams and you see the previous year question papers.
how many questions did you how many choices did you mark in this PGI exam?
But I have no like if I say I have attempted, I have marked roughly 500 option, but I don't know. Like there was few questions where I marked only one option, and there were few questions where I marked 4 options. But I didn't leave any question. I attempted all the question. So my attempt would be roughly around 500, 520. So.
And did you also utilize the AIMS capsule that we have, and did you attend the DVT session?
Yes, sir. I attended DVT last year. I was confused because like you are spending a 3 days there, whether I should go for this or I should revise my 6 subjects by sitting at home. But it was a wise decision to go and attend DVT. And sir, I made a point to revise my DVT videos before my AIMS exam. And sir, AIMS capsule was very high yielding. I made notes from AIMS capsule, because it becomes easy when you have notes. Like you can't revise AIMS capsule before AIMS exam in a day or two, but it takes only few hours if you have notes from them. And AIMS capsule was very high yielding. Like even DVT, like for images, these were my prime sources for images, like DVT and AIMS capsule. And like this time PGI also had images, and I was very comfortable with those images because of DVT and AIMS capsule, because Ranjit sir has completed like Robbins in 7 minutes. He has showed those 24 patterns, and everything is completed from that. And we got questions from those patterns only in PGI. So they were very helpful.
And were you happy with the way we innovatively, converted the 3-day DVT into 2 hours videos with small, revisions by teachers? And was that a
Yes,
good resource to revise things?
yes, sir. Because like when you are apprehensive before exam, what to read, and you don't want to read anything, so you have those videos. And sir, like we have 6 minutes video from JD, and sir, you have given all the images in those 6 minutes, and you have motivated us enough to go for exam and give a good attempt. So those videos are very helpful. Like you can if you can increase the speed also, like 2 times or 1.5 times. It's like you are completing 19 subjects in 6 hours or 7 hours, sir. And which is like that gives a boost before exam. Okay, you have seen all the subjects, you have seen all the images, so it was a very good idea. So
If you remember at that time in the club, some people were not,
Yes, sir.
happy with the idea. But I think that happens whenever we create a change, we create an innovation. It takes some time to settle down in people's mind that this is a new way of presentation. But now
Yes,
this year, I'm already getting a lot of demand by students that create similar videos for this year's DVT also.
yes, yes, sir.
Right, that is how it evolves. And any particular teachers that come to your mind that you have been part of multiple courses and you have actually been taught by every teacher around, like you must have, some teacher would have taught you in SWT, some in TND, some in AIMS TND.
Yes.
Any teachers that come to your mind today that you feel they have contributed to your journey?
Sir, I'm thankful to all the teachers, if I say, because I have said this previously also in my post, which I posted on DAMS, that it takes all 19 subjects to reach there. Like you can't leave any subject. If you're getting force question from from a subject, then those 4 questions are also important. But if I have to mention particularly, then I'll start with Dr. Deepti ma'am. So her notes are gold standard. Like you can't expect a question out of her notes. Like if you have done ma'am's notes, you have done SWT, you should not worry about gynecology. You'll get each and every question correct, sir. Ma'am's notes concepts are so good, sir. And then, sir, your radiology class. Like we don't get much exposure during our MBBS to radiology, but sir, your classes, your way of teaching, and sir, apart from that, sir, your motivational videos, sir, your everything was very good. And sir, Dr. Arvind sir for medicine, sir. Sir has given us Harrison in like 2 notebooks. It is so good, sir. Cardiology, but like I couldn't read ECG during my MBBS time, but because of sir's classes, sir's ECG videos on e-medicals, like I was so good at my ECGs. Now I didn't even revise ECG before my any exam from my JIPMER, AIMS, or PJ, or even before NEET. And sir, then ENT, sir, like everybody was uh, so good in their subjects. So
And were you happy with the rich resources that you always had on eMedico's app? Like if you need previous papers, they are there. If you
yes,
need
sir,
AIMS questions, it is there. If you need a question practice, it is there. Were you happy with
yes.
the way we have created a resource center for all of our students?
Yes, and sir, I was very happy with the daily quizzes. Sir. Like we used to get 5 questions every day. So like at 12:05 in the night, you'll be like, I have to in those top 10 students, I have to attempt those 5 questions. So by solving those 5 questions, like I know I am covering those 5 high yielding questions every day. So at the end, like I had covered I think 100 those questions. So like by unknowingly, I had completed 500 high yielding MCQs, and so that was very good. And so e-medicals is very nice. Like we have segregated aims, previous aims, previous PGI, JIPMER exams, and ECG, and sir, one look pathology by Dr. Diksha ma'am, and emergency courses, sir. Everything was very good, sir.
And did you also utilize that on DAMS question bank DQB? We have now new pattern questions added,
Yes,
AIMS pattern, clinical vignettes added, video-based questions have been added. Were you
yes,
happy
sir.
with the
Yes,
variety of questions that
actually,
you get?
I'm more like solving questions in a hard copy form instead of solving on the app. So I bought DQB last year, and sir, I did those image-based questions which you put on. So there was a separate section for that. So everything was very helpful.
Now, Bhumika, now we have some questions for you. One is that what makes you the high achiever that you are? Like, you told us about the academic journey that you have, but there must have been ups and downs in the entire journey. And, I want to know from you, like, how do you, remain motivated and what do you tell yourself?
So the thing is, I didn't want to settle for the less. Like when I got my last AIMS exam, it was 79 rank. So everybody was like, you can go to peripheral AIMS. Then I got my NEET exam, it was 235. Then again, everybody was like, you'll get medicine in good institute. Why do you want to go further? Like you have a good rank in hand. You might not get rank in mid-year exam. But I knew that like if I'll work hard, if I have faith in myself, then yes, I'll be able to do it. So that was the main thing. And then support system. I have a very strong support system from my family. Like when I discussed with them that I want to go further, I want to attempt this mid-years exam, they didn't even question once. Like my mother, she supported me throughout my journey. So when I didn't get if you have 79 rank in last aims and you're getting 72, that is not a good improvement. But then also they were very happy, like it's a good rank, it's okay, it happens. So this was the main thing. And my friends, and like I think my support system was a big thing which kept me going.
And any message that you want to give to future aspirants? Like there would be people who might not have, any senior, like you were discussing earlier, who might not have any friends or seniors who have gotten through AIMS. How do they set up, that they can also do it? And any message for the future aspirants?
I'll say if you join DAMS and you have you're on the right track because you have all the high yielding notes with you. And then, sir, I'll say if you're connected with DAMS, you'll get like Dr. Sumer Sethi and Dr. Dipti ma'am will come on online like so many times during the year. They'll keep motivating you. They'll keep guiding you. If you message them person, then also they reply. It's not like that they're getting, I don't know how many messages you'll be getting, sir, every day, like thousands of messages. But then also you make it a point to reply to each one of us. So I'll say you should be connected to someone like sir or ma'am or any senior or anyone who has done well or who knows how to reach there. You should have a proper guidance to reach to Central Institute or any rank if you want, like to NEET also. If you want a good institute, you want a good branch, then you need a proper guidance for that. You need what to read, what not to read, because it's not possible to read everything. And you should concentrate on the things which are important, which are high yielding for you. And DAMS provide us everything in on e-medicals or in the form of AIMS capsule or DVT.
And Bhumika, do you have your parents around? Can we congratulate them right now?
Yes, my mother is here.
Yeah, can we? Let me have. Anji, Aunty, namaste. Congratulations. कैसा लग रहा है? बच्ची ने रैंक फाइनली अच्छी रैंक निकाली, बहुत मेहनत की है, 2-3 साल पूरा लग के मेहनत कर रही है।
बहुत अच्छा सर, आपकी भी मेहनत है, बच्चे की भी मेहनत है।
नहीं, आपकी सपोर्ट है। बच्ची बता रही थी कि आपने पूरा सपोर्ट किया, हमेशा इनकरेज किया, और आई थिंक आपके पूरे एज अ पेरेंट आपको सलाम और आपको कांग्रेचुलेशंस। आपके बच्चे आगे भी अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगी, मुझे लगता है, और देश के लिए अच्छी डॉक्टर भी बनेगी।
ये शुरू से ही कर रही है अच्छा परफॉर्म। तो ये 8th में भी स्कूल टॉप किया है, 10th में भी एमबीबीएस में यूनिवर्सिटी टॉप किया इसने।
आगे भी करेगी, मुझे
करेगी।
डीएम एंट्रेंस में भी इसका इंटरव्यू करेंगे। हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके, और बहुत बहुत बच्चे को भी आशीर्वाद। ठीक बेटा, कांग्रेचुलेशंस। एंड I think there has been some internet issue here. I think she's logged out, but it was a pleasure to connect to her today, and it was a pleasure to know from her journey and how she has made a comeback and how she worked hard to reach to this rank of 33. It is an honor to be associated with these journeys, and every time you look at these interviews on DAMS Theory channel on YouTube, also visualize that you will give the next interview. I wish you all the best. Agla interview aapka hoga. Best of luck.